Got a call last night from an old friend's wife, said I hate to bother you. Well, Johnny Ray fell off the wagon, he's been gone all afternoon. Well, I know my buddy, so I drove to Scully's and found him at the bar. I said, hey man, what's going on? He said, I don't know where to start. Sarah's old car's about to fall apart, and the washer quit last week. We had to put mama in the nursing home, and the babies couldn't teeth. I didn't get much work this week, and I got bills to pay. I said, I know this ain't what you wanna hear, but it's what I'm gonna say. Sounds like life to me, it ain't no fantasy. It's just a common case of everyday reality. Man, I know it's tough, but you gotta suck it up. To hear you talk, you're caught up in some tragedy. It sounds like life to me. But his face turned red and he shook his head. He said, you don't understand. 3 kids and a wife depend on me, and I'm just one man. Top it off, I just found out Sarah's 2 months late. I said, hey bartender, set us up around. We need to celebrate. Sounds like life to me, plain old destiny. Yeah, the only thing for certain is uncertainty. You gotta hold on tight and just enjoy the ride. Get used to all this unpredictability. Sounds like life. Man, I know it's tough, but you gotta suck it up. To hear you talk, you're caught up in some tragedy. Sounds like life to me. Sounds like life. Sounds like life.
Give it up for Jess Jesse! Great song. That's